This video tutorial walks you through in making your very first circuit simulation within CircuitVerse. The CircuitVerse Simulator is a free browser-based tool. Inspired by Logism, it provides a dynamic environment for building and analyzing simple and complex circuits. In the first half of the video, we will go through the different sections of the interface, and in the second half, we will build a circuit within the simulator. As the CircuitVerse inbuilt tutorial highlights, the simulator includes different sections for building and managing circuit simulations. At the top is the menu bar. It is a standard menu bar that you would find in a lot of different programs. Each of these items have different drop-down menus for managing your circuit simulation projects. This section on the left-hand side of the screen displays different circuit elements for building the circuits. It includes components across different categories like input-output elements, gates, decoders, plexers, test benches, etc. Each circuit element has different properties. This section on the right-hand side of the screen displays different properties available for the selected circuit element. Similar to the Chrome browser, the Circuit tab section displays different circuits and sub-circuits available within a selected project. By default, every project must have at least one main circuit in the Circuit tab section. If the user tries to delete the main circuit, the simulator will display an error. While working on the circuit, if you wish to zoom in or out of your screen, or center to your image, or even download your image, instead of visiting the menu bar, you can hop over to the Quick Access panel. As you hover your mouse over the icons, a brief description of the different task icons is displayed. The toolbar can be conveniently moved around the canvas or positioned in the menu bar. If you experience an unexpected behavior, you can report it to the team using the report system. Hover your mouse on the blue button available in the bottom right-hand corner. When it slides out on the main screen, double-click on it. A dialog box for reporting an issue or bug to the team pops up. Remember to give as much information as you can for the team to successfully solve your problem. Finally, the most important place of the simulator where all the action happens is the canvas. The canvas is the middle area where all circuit elements can be assembled for building the circuit. Here, you may simulate and design your circuits on the go. Now that we have explored the simulator, let us make our very first circuit. A simple circuit of an XOR gate. Get started by logging into the CircuitVerse simulator. This way, you can save and organize your circuits for future reference. Drag two AND gates from the Circuit Elements panel and a couple of input elements to build your circuit. If required, you may also search for an element in the search bar. The Zoom slider in the Quick Access panel allows you to zoom into the canvas for easily aligning the components. While working with the circuit elements, you can increase or customize the input size of an element by playing around with the input size parameter displayed in the Properties panel. For this circuit, the default value works fine. Now we are going to wire all the elements. Create a wire by clicking on the output of one gate or port and simply dragging the mouse to the input of the next one. Often while connecting two elements, the wire rubber bands around an angle. All of the wires are nicely aligned and everything is easy to read. Note that any inputs of any circuit element that you don't connect within the circuit do not affect it at all. All circuit elements in CircuitVerse have a defined bit width. When a wire connects two circuit elements, the different wire colors indicate the bit width status of the wire. For instance, this wire is carrying a high signal and thus has a brighter green color, but this wire has a dark green color as the bit width value is low. As the circuit design becomes more complex, the color-coded wires make it easy to locate the high and low signals within the circuit simulation. The simulator places a dot when two wires are touching each other. Finally, let us add labels for different circuit elements. Select the circuit element on the canvas and navigate to the Property panel to add a label. If needed, you can also play with the label direction. While building the circuit, it often happens that the circuit does not appear in the middle of the screen. In the Quick Access panel, you can click on the Fit to Screen button to center the circuit. As the design grows, you can preview the full circuit on your screen by clicking on the preview icon on the Quick Access toolbar. Your circuit is now complete. Toggle the different input values to verify the working of the 1-bit multiplexer. CircuitVerse offers different options for saving your circuits online and offline. Any circuit saved online can be accessed later on from your dashboard. However, if you wish to download the image on your machine, click on the Download Image icon displayed on the Quick Access toolbar. A CircuitVerse image can be downloaded in multiple formats or resolutions to suit one's image needs. At any point, you can post your questions or share ideas in the CircuitVerse forum. To learn more about what you can do with CircuitVerse, you can visit our documentation page or read the interactive book. Thank you for using CircuitVerse.